Hey guys, and welcome back. So I thought that we could make Tuesdays Cooking Keto Tuesdays? Cooking Keto Tuesdays, yes. And that's where I cook a keto meal, a low-carb keto meal that's lazy keto, not strict keto, every Tuesday and show you guys the options that you have out there. So today I'm going to show you how to cook low-carb cabbage enchiladas. Now this is my first time making them, so hopefully they turn out because they look really delicious. I'll insert a picture of here of what they're supposed to look like, and I doubt it's going to look like this by the end of it, but hopefully it'll be still good. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first step is to cut up our chicken breast, or any shredded chicken really. Okay, so now that our chicken is cooked and off the heat, we are going to cut up our 1 onion and 1 bell pepper. Okay, so while we have our veggies put off to the side, I forgot a step. We need to get the cabbage rolls ready. And I've already tried to get them off raw, and it really made me angry, and it just kept breaking. So I'm going to try to boil it for a bit and see if they come off any better. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, so it worked. You boil it first and then they come and they slide right off. Aha! See if it keeps working or if I have to boil it more. Yeah, I think I have to boil it more. The first one came off good. Yes! Okay, back in the water it goes. For a few more minutes.
Also, one thing that I want to replace is this cooling system, or at least the fan, because it's horribly loud. I probably keep the heat sink, but then there's the fact that the CPU is completely stuck to this. That thermal grease needs replacing too. Yeah, just snapping that off there with a screwdriver. There we go. We've got some caked on thermal grease. It's been on there for like 20 years almost.
Comes off easy now. Okay, so now that I got the cabbage rolls figured out, that's all done. I have the veggies on low for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add cumin, what else? Chili powder and garlic powder. And then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so the veggies have been cooking for about 5 minutes now, and we're gonna add all our chicken, which is 3 cups, and then 1 cup of the enchilada sauce. All the chicken. Now technically it's supposed to be shredded chicken, but I don't got time for that. And then 1 cup of enchilada sauce. And now we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and I'll see you in 5. Okay guys, now it's assembly time, or assemble time. I don't know what people call it. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you that you need to boil your leaves for 4 minutes before this, okay? So since I put the whole cabbage in, I did my boiling. So you want to take your cabbage, and then you want to take a scoop in a bit full. So about there. And then you want to roll it like a burrito, they say. So wish me luck. Squish it in. And roll it like a burrito. Okay guys, so the putting together is a pain in the butt, but it does come together. You do have to cut, there's a hard part on the cabbage. The first few layers have it, you just have to cut it out on the leaf, and then it's easier to roll. So here's the finished product. Well, it's not finished. I'm going to add cheese and enchilada sauce on the top, so let me show you. Alright, so now we're going to drizzle some enchilada sauce on top. And again, you can make it your own. It's supposed to be like a drizzle, but I have so much, I'm just going to pile it on. And then add your cheese. As little or as much as you want. Preheat your oven to 350. And there you go, guys. Your enchiladas. Cabbage style, low calorie, keto style. I'll show you the finished product when it comes out of the oven. Alright guys, here it is, straight out of the oven. Tell me when.
Go.
It's really good. Once again, I outdo myself. Well guys, thanks for joining me on Cooking Keto Tuesday, and we'll see you next week.